70 million expectant mothers and fathers heed the call each year, returning to breed in the ocean 5 miles away. This journey may take up to 2 weeks and is fraught with danger. Coconut crabs are the largest land-dwelling crabs on Earth, 10 times the size of red crabs. Their pair of powerful claws serves as their deadliest weapon. Red crabs have terrible eyesight, unless luck is on their side. But there are even greater dangers to face. They must time their crossing perfectly. Fortunately, crabs now have right-of-way on many roads in the area. Millions arrive at the beach on schedule, ready to mate. 30 million mother crabs all release their eggs into the sea simultaneously. The seawater works its magic, hatching the eggs instantly. Over the next 4 weeks, these tiny travelers will develop in the ocean. Then they'll return to land to live. This cycle continues, sustaining life endlessly.